the lexical side of FrameNet: word forms, lexemes, lemmas, and lexical units. Let's start with an example. Take this famous quote by Charles J. Fillmore in English: "Meanings are relativized to scenes." This sentence is composed by 5 word forms: meanings, are, relativized, to, and scenes. In a nutshell, a word form is a linguistic form one can find in a sentence, like look. However, in language where words can be inflected in categories such as number, gender, person, time, or mood, word forms are grouped under lexemes. A lexeme represents then a linguistic form with all its possible inflections. Lexemes are usually represented by the dictionary form of words together with information on their part of speech, like look, the verb, and look, the noun. Going back to Fillmore's sentence, we can say that the lexemes in it are meaning, be, relativize, to, and scene. A lexeme turns into a lemma when it's assigned to a frame to form a lexical unit. A lexical unit is the combination of form, the lemma, and the meaning in a given frame. So, for instance, the lemma look, composed by the lexeme look, whose word forms are look, looks, looked, and looking, is the formal side of 3 lexical units: look, evoking the scrutiny frame; look, evoking the perception active frame; and look, evoking the giving impression frame. Now, sometimes lexemes can be combined to form multi-word expressions. Phrasal verbs in English, such as look back or look up, are a classic example. The multi-word lemma look back, composed by the lexemes look and back, is only recruited as the form side of the LU look back, evoking the remembering experience frame. Note that look back is treated as a verb, although it's composed by 1 verbal and 1 adverbial lexeme. Lemmas can take the part of speech of any of its lexemes, or even a new one. In the case of a lot, a is an article, while lot is a noun.